Hey, what's up guys, my name is Clayton. We're back with a new video. Hey, what's up guys, how's it going? So today I'm going to make a video about my top surgery scars, because I haven't made one in a while. So I got top surgery. May 6, 2021. It would be 2 years and 2 months ago. So here's my chest now. Topper, what are you doing? Here's my chest right now. This is it. So yeah, that's it. So the one thing is, I've said this since day one. I got top surgery. Went down in the description if you think my nipples look a little big. Tell me the truth. Like, my nipples, bro. My nipples are so big. Do you not think so? Comment down below what you think. If you think my nips are big or not. I think they're pretty big. I actually measured them. I measured them yesterday because I was doing laundry and I was using I was putting quarters in the quarter machine to do my laundry here. And I put a quarter up to it, and it's bigger than a quarter, bro. And I heard nipples are supposed to be like the size of nickels, right? Isn't that right? Or is it dimes? I think it's nickels, right? Nipples are supposed to be like the size of like nickels. Nipples, areolars, whatever you call it, for men. That's usually like the average size. Obviously, every man has different size nipples. I've seen people with bigger nipples. Like my brother Alex actually has pretty big nipples, you know. Or areolars, I guess is what you call them. And the one thing I do like about my nips, though, or my areolars, is that like it does change. Like they're big right now, but like after they get like they get hard. My nipples do get hard. Like, you know, like when I go from I go inside a pool, you know, and like it's cold and stuff like that, like my nipples do shrink. So I do enjoy that. I like it when they shrink, and I wish they could stay that size. But oh, see, like right now. Oh, like right now. Have you not noticed? They've shrunk. Now I think they're pretty small. Like this size right here, yeah, they're getting hard. This one's kind of big though. I don't know. They're in the middle. This one's definitely hard. But I like their size they're at now. I do think maybe they're okay size wise. Maybe it's just me. They don't fit my body, if that makes sense. Like my body isn't muscular. Like after I gain more muscle and I gain some pecs, maybe they'll fit my body. But since my body has like no muscle right now, they just look weird. You know, maybe that's just me. I don't know. Because I do get a lot of people in my comments being like, oh my god, you got amazing results, your chest looks amazing. But I know it's just my body, so obviously I'm going to pick the little stuff. But my scars actually are looking really good. Also that right there is my my drain hole is right there. You can barely see it. We got Topper right here. My baby boy. Mwah. I love you, buddy. But yeah, that's my nips, my top surgery. I enjoy, like, I actually like my results. I think it looks amazing. The only thing I would change, if I could change my top surgery, the only thing I would change is my nipple sizing. I wish it was smaller. That's the only thing. Other than that, it's fine. I mean, I wish, obviously I wish my, obviously I wish, like, my scars could be less visible, but I think, like, they look pretty good. Mostly, I think, like, my results is, like, really, really good. Like, I do think so. I think it's just big-ass nips, you know? But I've seen some top surgeries with bigger nips than mine. I've seen top surgeries with smaller nips. And I've seen, you know, like, I've seen all that. And I've seen cis men. Like, a lot of times, what I like to do when I do get insecure about how big my nippies are. Sorry, I'm right in front. I have a lot of ring lights, but I like to just use my natural sun. And kind of right now, it looks like I'm filming for, like, OnlyFans or something, because I'm literally on my couch, like, half naked, and my thing's open, and then someone just walked by. So I, like, Adam was like, ah. They can't see this for free. No. Another thing I like to do is, when I get insecure about my big nips, is I'll just literally search up, like, shirtless guys with nips, big nips. Sometimes it makes me more insecure. It gives me body dysphoria, body dysmorphia, whatever it's called. because like a lot of it is like fake photos of like people like, you know, like purposely making their nipples big, and then it kind of like, oh, like it's sad because like a lot of men do have small nips. Mine's just big, but you know, some people might have nipple fetishes or and hey, if you do, I'm the guy to go for. You feel me? I got big ass nips. Or would you call them areolas? Same thing. I actually got no nips. Right, Toppy? Yeah. Yeah, so I really like how my top surgery turned out. I'm also taking the gym more seriously, you know. I joined my ninja gym and I'm taking that pretty seriously. Yeah, I'm taking that pretty seriously, so damn it. So yeah, I'm taking it pretty seriously. So hopefully I get some pecs. That's actually one of my main goals, is like getting some kind of foundation. Is foundation, that's the right word? Like right here in my chest. Like I feel like my body type still looks like a kid, you know, like, you know, it just looks kiddie, like kid. You know what I'm saying? Like it doesn't look like a man. Like my body looks like a boy, not a man, you know. Like I just have like a plain, like no pec line, no abs coming in. I mean, sometimes I look like you can see my abs sometimes, you know, in the mornings, but like it doesn't look manly, and I kind of hate that my body kind of looks like a little baby's body. But you know, I'm trying to take the gym more seriously. Hopefully my body will look more manly. Yeah. But yeah, yeah, I don't know what else is there to talk about. There's really nothing else anymore. Like nothing's really changed. I think it's more now I need to focus on my fitness and me working out because now I think everything that's happened with top surgery is going to stay the same. It's now if I want to work out and build the pec line and do all that kind of stuff, you know, to change the way my body looks, the way my top surgery looks, you know. Yeah, thank you guys for watching. I would appreciate it. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.